didn't have to think about that. It's such an automatic process.
No. What'd they say?
I think you have to be a real pervert to zip first and then so that's what I do. I'm going to tell an embarrassing story that reminds me of. So my younger brother, when he was little, he had this thing which was he hated underwear. He was never going to wear underwear. And we went to in Greenfield, Massachusetts, at the Unitarian Church basement. There used to be a dance spree on Thursday nights, and everybody would like go do this like little family dance thing in the basement of the church. And we were dancing to the song. I remember this also. We were dancing to the song "Jump." Like, it was the '80s, and some hippie guy flipped my brother upside down, and he wasn't wearing any underwear. And his zipper, like, I guess, fell something. I don't know what happened. But his tiny little 7-year-old foreskin got stuck. And it came out, it was to the point where he was screaming so bad that they turned off the music. And all the grown-ups that were there, like, trying to figure out. It was blood. And eventually everyone was like, it's really stupid. So we had to go to the hospital. And that's just a PSA about wearing underwear.
We all know that you have an affinity with belt buckles. You probably have way too many, which is okay.
Yep.
Fine.
Okay.
Hoarder. I don't judge. Do you have a favorite or do you have a few favorites?
I have several favorites. Yeah. But I do have several favorites. I'm wearing one right now that is it's a tiger.
Is it tiger?